Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Astirini Swarastuti MPD as a examiner for my seminar result on this occasion. The Honorable Miss Desti Nurdianti SSM Hum as a advisor 1 and Miss Nila Sari Dewi SPD MPD as a advisor 2. On this occasion, introduce myself. My name is Vina Damayanti in PM 2113100003. Will present my final assignment entitled Analysis of Student Difficulties in Reading Skills of 12th Grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung. Background of the study. Reading is one of the ways of learning English that is taught as a foreign language that is first learned and understood, because almost all science and technology is written in English. The author found many students in the 12th grade of Hospitality 2 having difficulties in understanding English reading text. Given the importance of reading skills in facilitating students' mastery of English, student difficulties in comprehending English reading tests should be identified. Identification of the problem. What difficulties are faced by students in comprehending the English reading text of 12th grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung? Objective of the study: to know the student difficulties in comprehending the English reading text of 12th grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung. Scope of the study. This research was conducted for 3 months starting from 14 November 2023 to 7 February 2024. The subject is in this research were 12 of grade Hospitality 2 SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung with a total of 21 students, and the object of this research was to analyze student difficulties in understand English reading text. To limit this research, the author will only focus on analysis student difficulties in understanding English reading text. The main data from this research are interview and reading tests, while documents are secondary data. Benefit of the study. Theoretical benefit. It is hoped that this research will be useful for teachers and students regarding comprehension in analyzing students' reading comprehension difficulties, and also the benefit of this research for other writers is that this research can be useful as a reference for other writers who wants to conduct research analyzing students' reading difficulties. Practically benefit. With the completion on this research, the author hopes to be able to provide a valuable contribution to English teachers, students, readers, and other researchers. Framework of theories. Definition of reading. Reading is a taking process to understand the content contained in the text being read. Types of reading. Reading can be classified into comprehension reading, independent reading, silent reading, and executive reading. Reading difficulties factors. Internal factors cause students to have difficulty reading, namely lack of interest in learning to read, low motivation during the reading process, difficulties expressing opinion in oral or written form, and considering the reading process to be difficult, and external factors in students' reading comprehension abilities include the family environment and school environment. Aspect of reading. Important aspect of reading comprehension include determining main idea, identifying reference, making inference, finding specific information, and identifying comprehension. Difficulty in reading. Reading difficulties include language, topic, comprehension text, and negative expansion. Previous related study. 1. An analysis of student difficulties in reading comprehension at SMA Negeri 1 Sukoda di Lamongan. 2. The analysis on student difficulties in doing reading comprehension final text. Method of the study. The type of research conducted is qualitative. Time and place of the study. Time November 40, 2023 to March 7, 2024. Location at SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung on Cut Mutia Street, No 191, Gulak Galik, Teluk Butung Utara, Bandar Lampung. Data result of the study. 1. Primary data result, interview and reading test. 2. Secondary data, documentation. Procedure of the study. The writer found the study problem. The written found the objective of problem. The study found the framework of theory. The writer collected the data. The writer did interview with source. The writer conduct a reading test on 12th grade student at Hospitality 2 SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung. The writer collect the data, the support data. The writer analyzing the data spiritually. The writer made the conclusion, and the writer gave a suggestion. Data collection. 1. Interview. From a total 21 students in the class, the research selected 5 students randomly using the random sampling method to represent the population. Data analysis. 1. Data collection. Qualitative data can be collected tongue observation, interview, reading tests, and documents. In the research, the author collected data tongue interviews, reading tests, and document. Data reduction. In this research, the author simplified the data by grouping the interview result into result indicators regarding English reading difficulties. Result. The type on interview conducted by the writer is an open interview where the interview answers the question freely asked by the interviewer. The following are the results of interviews conducted by writer. The conducting research present in table form. From the data table above, in the first question, the author found that vocabulary is a difficult component in the reading process because the student do not know the meaning. Next, the second question is the difficulty in finding topics because the text is long. After that, the third question is comprehension. Many students need to read the next many times to understand English. The last thing is student reading fluency, student of measured sentence. Result. In this study, the author conducted a test in class 12 Hospitality 2 SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung. The test was conducted to determine the difficulties of students in reading comprehension with a total of 21 students. The time given by the author to take the test was 12 minutes with 10 questions. After the data was obtained, the authors analyzed the students' speaking ability using the average score of the reading test. From the score obtained, the classification was based on this percent students' errors. The classification used is very low, currently till very high. From the reading test result, it was found that students' reading comprehension was influenced by the lowest component, namely determining main idea, 67%, followed by reference identification 57%, vocabulary identification 52%, finding specific information 43%, making inference 38%. It can be concluded that the component of students' reading that has the lowest average scores in the component of making inference, difficulty in drawing conclusion occurs due to a lack of vocabulary, so students are hampered in the reading discussion. Students' reading comprehension include reading ability as well as the use of competence and understanding. Research by Saraswati found the students experience difficulties in 5 important aspects of reading comprehension, namely determining the main idea, detailed information, understanding vocab, looking for reference, and making inference. The biggest problem is found in the ability to draw conclusion and making inference. If these aspects are not developed well, students' English reading comprehension will be defective. Therefore, reading comprehension and motivation tests are needed to improve students' English language. Suggestion from the conclusion above, the research tried to formulate some for students. It is recommended that students improving reading comprehension by learning improve reading skills and strategy. For teachers are expect to teach effective reading comprehension skills and strategy. For researchers, future research are devoted to this research by intervening in process the students' comprehension and strategies to support motivation in reading comprehension.